Good morning everyone. Kwa majina naitwa Chris Mush. Today I'm talking about the introduction of accounting, importance, objective and the branches. Accounting is a process of identify, recording, classify, summarizing and interpreting financial transaction in the business. It helps business owner, investor, manager and the other shareholders in the business. The following is objective of accounting. First, to determine profit and loss in the business for specific period of time. Another point is to show financial position in the business such as asset, capital and liability. Asset, there are two categories, which is current asset and non-current asset. And also liability, there are two categories, short-term liability and long-term liabilities. Another point is to record the financial transaction such as sales, purchases, income and expenditure. Let's move. Another issue is importance of accounting. First point is to determine profit and loss in the business for specific period of time. Another point is it helps managers to plan, control business activity effectively. Another point is to make a decision. Let's move. Another issue is branches of accounting. There are two branches of accounting. First is financial accounting, cost accounting. Financial accounting is a branch of accounting which prepare financial statement for external user. Such example, income statement, statement of financial position or balance sheet, and the cash flow statement. Cost accounting is a branch of accounting which to determine control cost. Example, sales and purchases. Another branches is management and the tax. Management is a branch of accounting which prepare information for internal to make a decision. Tax, a branch of accounting which deal with the calculation. Example, TRA is based for collect tax. Thank you.